Here's how I made a desk out of a piece of plywood. I bondoed the rough edges, then sanded that bondo till smooth. I painted a base coat of light green. Then I added a darker green which I mixed with a little bit of glaze. Next I smushed it around with a sponge. I decided to add 1x2 all the way around the edge to hide the supports for the legs. So then I had to bondo those sides. And sand it again. And paint. Next I added the support for the legs, which I got on Amazon and they're linked in my storefront. Here comes the fun part, Stonecoat Countertop epoxy. I put a little of that green paint in with the epoxy to do a skim coat. The epoxy likes to stick to itself, so if you put a thin base layer, then the rest goes smoother. That beautiful green color was Rainforest Green by Stonecoat, and I just started adding some spray paint. Next I take a brush and just stipple all the way around the spray paint parts. I also use this beautiful copper. It has like a glitter in there, really pretty. After 45 minutes, I remove the tape around the edges. This lets the epoxy drip onto the sides. I did add a little bit of like this artist's gold flaky stuff, and it's sticking up, so I'm going to have to sand this when it's dry and put another coat of epoxy on top. I used 120 grit sandpaper, and I had Ethan bring it into the house. Now I'm just throwing on the clear coat. After 45 minutes, I remove the tape and I make sure it's smooth around all sides. Here it is in the spare room. It already has Ethan's computer crap on it because he's staying here for a while. Please use the links in my bio to order.